He made a rude comment in French in front of me, thinking I couldn't understand, but I did. I live in a high-rise building in downtown Vancouver. After a sunset run, I entered the building with a family who held the door for me. They were speaking French, but I thanked them in English. We ended up in the same elevator, heading up over 30 floors. It was a couple with 3 boys, around 8 to 10 years old. As they chatted in French, I quietly understood everything. They didn't know it was my mother tongue. Then the dad turned to his kids and asked, "Alors, elle est belle ou pas belle?" So, is she pretty or not pretty? My brain froze. Was he talking about me? One of the kids quickly replied, "Pas belle, not pretty." I couldn't believe it. They were blatantly judging me right in front of me. I froze, unsure how to react. With just a few floors left before my stop, I had a choice. Let it go, no way, or seize this rare moment for some sweet linguistic revenge. I'm not usually confrontational, but this was too perfect to pass up. As the elevator doors opened, I turned back, smiled, and in my sassiest French accent said, "Bonne soirée, have a good evening." The looks on their faces, absolutely priceless. The dad and kids froze, realizing I'd understood every word. I walked away, but in hindsight, I wish I'd stared at them until the doors closed. Mom stood silent the whole time, like she wasn't really present. I couldn't help but wonder if she endured this behavior from him too. They were likely tourists, since there are Airbnbs in my building. I never saw them again, but honestly, that moment was chef's kiss. If nothing else, it's proof that learning another language can pay off in the most satisfying